Hey y'all, welcome or welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Crystal. As you guys can see from the title, I'll be showing you guys how I try a different style on a TBA for a wig installation braids. Alright, so first things first, I am going in with detangling her hair. She came to me with some twists, so I'm just like clearing those out to make sure that it is cleared out for me to start styling and parting and braiding her hair. First things first, you guys will see me split the hair in half. I'll start by the bridge of her nose and then just make it back just to make sure the part is straight. And then from there, I'll do braids on the sides and then you guys will see. Okay, so now that I have my desired part, I'm going in with my edge control of choice. You guys can use any edge control. And honestly, I'm just putting this on the part just to make sure that the part is crisp. And then before I start any braid, I'm going to put edge control on the part to make sure that the braids are neat and they last. Like I said before, I'm going in with edge control. I'm going to put this on the perimeter of her head. Honestly, I think this helps me as a braider. If you guys are a beginner braider, I feel like this edge control will definitely help you grip and make sure that your braids are neat. So I'm going in with my comb and then I'm just making thinner parts around the perimeter of her head so when she lays her wig lays flat. Alright guys, so now that I have my clean desired part, I'm going in with a ponytail. You guys can use a banana clip, whatever you guys use to hold your hair back. I'm going to comb or brush this edge control within the hair to make sure that it's not caked up on her edges, and then I'm just going to begin braiding. So this first braid, to make sure that it lays flat around her ears, you guys will see me connect the braid to the second braid behind that one, so just stay tuned for that. Alright, so this is where the braid connection goes. Where I reach to the braid, all I do is just grab it and then I just braid it right in there. As you guys see, it's very flat, and then I will zoom in and show you guys All I'm doing is just braiding down, and then I'll just end up connecting all the braids at the end. Alright y'all, so this is just a close-up how I'm showing you guys how I brought the braid into the second braid. And it's very flat and it's very small. And then I'm going to show you guys the end of the braid. I did not braid it all the way because when I connect it, it will be easier for me to just braid all of the hair together. So enjoy this time lapse of me braiding the rest of her hair. Okay, so now that I have one side of her hair done, I'm just going in with the hair. I'm just braiding it to the side to make sure that all of the braids on the back connects. I'm just bringing one braid to the second braid, and then I'm just bringing that second braid to the third braid, and you guys will see it'll all just be one braid at the end. She can use a wig cap or sew it down and she'll be good to go. Alright guys, so now that I'm done with one side of her hair, I'm going to the opposite side. I'm doing the same exact steps that you guys seen me use. I'm going in with the comb, making sure that the parts are clean, going in with the edge control to make sure that it gives me a better grip. And that is it. I'll show you guys how to do a braid on the second braid, but just stay tuned for this video so you guys can see how flat this installation was at the end. Alright, so now that I made my part, got my edge control, I just made a mini part in the front. I split that into 3 sections and I just start a braid. A regular braid as if I was doing, you know, single braids. And then all I do is just feed it into the rest of the hair. Make sure that your parts are clean so you'll just be able to grip it in the same row. And that's how you cornrow, y'all. Very easy. Alright y'all, so that is the finished look. I did 5 braids on each side. On this side I just connected all of them, and this side I just brought it down and just connected, and then I have like, sorry Kayla, I have 2 braids in the back where when she wear her wig cap, it'll, you know, go down. I'm going to oil her scalp with some peppermint oil. As you guys can see, I've been using as you guys can see, I've been using the TGIN edge control on her parts. This has biotin in it, so it will help your hair grow. Biotin and castor oil, and then this is the peppermint oil that I'm going to use on her scalp. How your scalp feel?
Feel good.
I like this better for her hair because I feel like it lays flatter than the like rolls going back.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. So now we bought some oil. Can I?
Jesus. Oh, Jesus.
You guys can put foam on it or mousse. if y'all want, if you was walking out the house like this is a good braid up for a walk out the house.
Yeah, I'm gonna look a scarf. Oi.
So oil drop on your neck.
Yeah, go.
Oh my. Yo, clearly this oil feel good. And all you have to do is just oil your scalp every day. Promote that hair growth, and I'm just massaging it in. And you are cold to go, girl. You just have a breeze. All you need a little wig cap.
A little sewing right here.
Yeah.
You see this hang time though.
Tell them about the hang time.
My shit touching.
Tell them how to touch your past your shoulder.
This thing past my shoulder. You see?
Praying hands, good hands.
That's that. Alright. Mesha Curlz.
Alright, y'all. Thanks for watching, and I will see y'all later. Killing that gum good.